Welcome to another video on Click Home Income, guys. In this video I'll be showing the demo on the Click Home Income, how to use, what are the features are available, how to interact with the application, all those things, all the details you can get step by step. Also you can get my free bonuses. These are the customized bonus I'm going to give free, absolutely free, if you buy the Click Home Income product through my reference link in the description box. Please watch the video till end. I'll let you know how to get this free bonus. So these are the bonus I'll be walk through at the end of the video. So you might be wondering at this time to know about what is Click Home Income. With Click Home Income we can get unlocked with 7 income streams where we can earn $29 every time when we complete a task. Technically you won't be completing the task yourself because you got Click Home Income. It can finish 7 multiple tasks for you in order 10 minutes simultaneously getting paid $29 each time the task is completed. Continuously we can earn $29 every time we finish a task. Bank as much as $395 per sale through our deep funnel conversion. Tried and tested high conversion. It has already proven methodology for the customer to make bank with us. Also I'll be showing the demo in the later part of the video. Moreover, like this Click Home Income, it will be more useful for the freelancer who are working as a freelancer, as a data entry operator or the logo generator, scriber, text to speech converter, like other like job hunting. All those features are been inbuilt with the Click Home Income. It will be very useful and they can get a handful of money by using the Click Home Income. Now we'll go through the demo on Click Home Income.
Hello everyone, let's go through the most important part we can earn with Click Home Income, and that is through our Job Hunter Pro. So this is basically a tool where Click Home Income searches the job for you that you want, and then you just choose whether you want to do it or not. So for example, basing on the tool that the Click Home Income has, a voiceover tool, let's try to search a voiceover gig. Just choose the platform, Upwork for example, click search, and then there you have it. It's up to you which one you want here. Let's try clicking this one, and then you will be redirected to the site, and then the job description will be there. Again, it's up to you whether you want to take up the job or not. Maybe you want to look for another one. Let's try looking for another one. And there you have it. So you can use Click Home Income's voiceover tool for these gigs. So I'm going to show you how to use the voiceover tool. So it's very simple and easy. So here you can type in whatever you want, or you can simply copy paste the text that you want to be converted into speech. So here I copy pasted something and I just choose the language. I'm going to choose English, I'm going to choose American, and then you can also choose the voice that suits your taste. So you just click convert, and then after a few seconds it'll appear here. You just click play.
Using the same system that I'm about to share with you,
So you can check whether the text and the voice match, and then after that you can click download and it'll automatically download on your device. As simple as that. So for example, you want a different language. So I'm gonna type in Japanese here, and then you choose the language, again Japanese, and then choose the voice that suits your taste. So click convert again, and then after a few seconds this will appear, and then you just click play.
おはようございます。
And if you think that's good enough, you just click download again, and it'll automatically be downloaded onto your device. So let's try searching another gig using another platform. This time, let's use the transcriber tool or the speech-to-text tool of Click Home Income. So here we have two tools inside. Let's go through URL to text first. And here you can input a YouTube URL. Let's try this one. Copy the video URL or the video link, and then simply paste it and click transcribe. And it's here. Let's try if it matches.
The introduction paragraph is the first part of your essay, and it's important to start strong. A great introduction.
Alright, so if you're okay with that, you can click download and it'll automatically download. And here you are, the text that has been converted from a video. So let's try the other tool, the MP3 to MP4 text. So here you can upload an MP4 or a video file, or an MP3 or an audio file. So let's try an audio file. Click convert, wait for a few seconds. And now we have your file here. Let's try clicking it. And that's the text that has been converted from an audio file. So that's it. So let's try searching for a job that's looking for a transcriber. Alright, there are a lot of gigs here. So here we have a list of the prices as well. So let's try expert English transcribers. There you have it, the description, and then again, it's up to you whether you want to get the job or not, or you're looking for another one. But basically, you can use the Click Home Income tools to finish the job, and then you can earn. I'll be showing you one more tool before ending this video. So let's go through the logo maker. So here we have lots of templates that's already done for you, and you just choose and edit which one you like. So let's go with this. You can move it around or just simply replace the letters or the words. So as easy as that, you can already click save, and then it'll be saved in this tab. And then here you can see all your past works, and here the one I recently did. So you can choose to edit it here again, and then you can also click here to download. So it'll automatically be downloaded onto your device. So let's try designing another one. Let's try this one. So here we can edit the text. And we could also change the image. Just click delete and click open here and change and click overlay image and just choose the image you want and click open. So after this, you just click save. And then okay, and let's go back and go to your saved designs, and you can see it here. So you can choose to edit it again or download it. So click download and it'll automatically download onto your device. These are just some examples of the many tools you can monetize with Click Home Income. Happy earning!
Get Click Home Income at a one-time price by just paying $19 once and use forever, rather than paying $297 a month. In order to get the instant access, please check out the link in the description box. It is a limited time offer. So it's a limited time offer. Please grab it soon if you're interested in the product before it get expired. Also, whereas the first 150 buyers can get the Click Home Income VIP Triple Your Income Edition worth of $497. It's 100% free. Now coming to the bonus part on the Click Home Income, it'll be live on live on Jan 21st Eastern Standard Time. The unique way to get generate around $29 over and over by just few clicks. So going through the bonuses, get Click Home Income now and get all the bonuses below. First bonus is worth of $997. In this thing you can get you'll come to know how to start internet marketing business. The second bonus is worth of $497. In this tutorial, you'll come to know how to generate the big email list and how to make use of to get earn with the list. And the third bonus, it's worth of $1,297. In this thing, you'll come to know how to build a perfect sales funnel for your business. And the fourth bonus is worth of $297. In this tutorial, you'll come to know how to make a blog, how to earn with this. So if you're interested, please check out the link in the description box. Also secure copy and your bonuses. Thanks for watching. If you feel the video is useful, please do like and subscribe it.